Factoring out common factors should always be the first step in the factoring process. It is simply a method of using the distributive property in a less traditional way. We often refer to distributive property in the setup of multiplication, when we write that C times A plus B is going to be C times A plus C times B. We say we have to distribute C over the terms in the parentheses. But since this is an equation, we can write it also in the other form. C times A plus C times B is equal C times A plus B. This is the process where on the left we have two terms and each term contains a same factor C, and on the right we'll have a C outside of the parentheses. So we say here that we factored out C from the expression on the left. So to factor out common factors when factoring a polynomial, we have to identify common factor or factors in all terms of the polynomial, and then use this property that if I have a common factor, then I can factor it out. So let's look at an example. We have the polynomial 6x cubed plus 2x squared. We are looking for the common factors. We are looking for the common factors among the numbers, coefficients, and exponents. So 6 is factors as 2 times 3. And then we have x cubed. X cubed can be written as x squared times x. I'm writing as x squared because the second term has x squared as well. As you can see, in both terms I have 2. And in both terms I have x squared. Therefore, we can factor them out. They play role of the C in the general formula. So 2 and x squared goes outside, are factored out, and in the parentheses we have whatever remains. And in the first factor 3x remains, and the second, well, nothing remains, but we can always think about 2x squared being multiplied by 1, so we'll have 3x squared plus 1. Factoring always can be checked by simply multiplying and seeing whether we obtain original polynomial.